What is init.py for in Python? Introduction. When working with Python projects, especially larger ones, you often see a file named _init.py inside folders like project, app, initpy, userpy, authpy. A very common beginner question is, what is init.py for in Python? This topic explains what init.py is, why it exists, package initialization, import behavior, Python versions impact, best practices, real-world usage, common misconceptions. This is a fundamental Python packaging concept. What is init.py? Init.py is a special Python file that marks a directory as a package. Simple definition: package, a folder containing Python modules that can be imported. Why init.py exists? Historically, Python used it. Check. Recognize directories as packages. Check. Control imports. Check. Initialize package-level code. Example structure: app, init.py, user.py, auth.py. Now Python treats app as a package. Basic usage example: user.py def hello, print hello from user, importing from package from app.user import hello. Hello. Role of init.py. When you import a package, import app. Python executes app init.py. What can be inside init.py? It can be check, empty file, initialization code, imports, package configuration. Example: simplifying imports init.py from .user import hello, from .auth import login. Now you can do from app import hello, login, internal concept import package, run init.py, initialize package namespace. Is init.py always required? Python 3.3 plus. Not strictly required anymore due to implicit namespace packages, but still commonly used. Why it is still important? Even though optional, it helps with check, backward compatibility, check, explicit package structure, check, cleaner imports, check, initialization logic. Example: initialization code, print, app package loaded. When imported, app package loaded. Example: package level variables version equals 1.0.0. Usage: import app, print app.version, organizing imports. Without init.py, from app.user import hello. With init.py, from app import hello. Cleaner API design. Real-world example: web application structure, project, API, routers py, services py, init.py from .routes import router. Now framework can import from API import router. Advanced usage subpackage initialization. App _init.py, models _init.py, user.py. Each level can have initialization logic. Common beginner mistakes: 1. Ignoring _init.py. Some beginners delete it, thinking it's unnecessary. 2. Putting heavy logic inside it. Bad practice: expensive DB calls in _init.py. This slows imports. 3. Circular imports. Example problem: A imports B, B imports A. Can break initialization. 4. Confusing module versus package type. Example: module user.py, package folder with init.py. Performance considerations: init.py runs only once per import. Heavy code inside slows startup. Best practices: keep init.py minimal. Keep init.py minimal. Avoid heavy logic. Keep organized public API. Maintain clean package structure. When to use init.py? Always in libraries, always in frameworks, useful in structured applications. Simple definition: init.py, a special file that marks a directory as a Python package and controls package initialization. Simple definition: Python package. A collection of modules grouped under a directory. Final summary. Underscore init.py is used to key, mark a folder as a package, initialize package code, control imports, simplify module access. Example. From app, import hello, instead of from app.user import hello. Key idea. Init.py defines how a Python package behaves when it is imported.